So this was the problem. Water had started seeping in and didn't realize it because the wallpaper was hiding it and the carpet was hiding it. So it wasn't until I removed the carpeting that I saw what was going on. So then the removal process started. Thankfully, everything went somewhat smooth, and finding this liquid nails fuse-it really helped out a lot. Made everything very easy to put back together, thankfully. Stuck right on. No issues.
Alright, you guys. Stuck it on there. It's been a while. I'm going to start putting the trim around it and all that, but it's stuck really good. I mean, it's on there. There's no it's not lifting up or anything. I mean, it's on there. It's on there really good. Nice and flat. And I mean, it just went right up against it, so stuff works good. I recommend it. Alright, you guys, in my previous videos, you guys have seen what I've been going through to get to this point with the prepping and repairing of this wall. Here it is. Went with painting it, putting some accent pieces on it. So this is the one that I took apart due to a bunch of water damage. Turned out really nice. Just how I wanted it to come out. It took a lot of work, but it was worth it. But came out really nice. Went ahead and got this guy here that made things a lot easier. Got it through Amazon. And got some 40 grit sandpaper. And I used that to remove all the glue residue that was left over. And then from there I jumped up to an 80 to smoothen it out. So that was a great help. And then I used this primer here, which worked great, because after you do like the first coat, you can see where you might have missed some glue, so you can go back, sand it, prep it again, and retouch it up and see if you missed anything else anywhere. Imperfections, I use this wood filler here. It's nice because you can reseal it and it stays pliable. It doesn't get hard. It's great. It lasts a long time. Easy to work with. And then I just use the basic paint that they had there at the Home Depot. Basic latex. The accent pieces are just 1.5 inch lath pieces. Make sure if you do end up using any of these type of pieces, that I found out the hard way while I was sanding. My hand caught on one of these edges and it cut me pretty good. So if you are going to go this route, make sure you have no sharp edges. I had to go through and redo everything sand wise. Another huge thing is level your trailer, fifth wheel, RV, whatever, before you start installing these accent strips that you can see there from top to bottom. I learned this the hard way. Unfortunately, this rig wasn't level when I installed them level, and after I did the whole wall, I realized that, and so I leveled it, and now every single one of them was off by about 1.25 inches. So I had to tear them all down and start from scratch. So please make sure that your rig is level before you start doing anything with the level. Save yourself some trouble.